So, what is money really? On the surface, money is just paper. It's numbers on a screen, it's digital transactions. Yet, for most of us, money feels like so much more. It brings up fear, excitement, stress, relief, guilt, or even shame. Why? Because money, like everything else, is neutral. It's just a symbol. What gives money meaning is our perception of it. And what gives perception power is our subconscious conditioning. Some people see money as freedom, while others see it as stress. Some feel empowered by money, while others feel controlled by it. And many of us swing between these two extremes, often without realizing why. But here's the truth. Money itself is never the problem. It's our relationship with it. And our relationship with money is shaped by our subconscious memories. These unconscious patterns dictate how we attract, receive, spend, and even lose money. So if you've ever felt like money is a struggle, a burden, or something you can never quite hold on to, it's not because money is against you. The problem isn't money. It's your relationship with money. And that relationship is being shaped by subconscious programs you may not even be aware of. Today, we're diving deep into how perception shapes our financial reality, how subconscious memories influence our money patterns, and how Ho'oponopono can clean these limiting beliefs, emotions, and judgments around money and restore flow. This isn't about manifesting more money by simply wanting it. This is about cleaning the beliefs that are keeping it from flowing to you. We attract what we are, not what we want. Imagine two people receiving $10,000. One person feels excitement, ease, and gratitude and immediately starts thinking of ways to spend it. The other person feels fear, doubt, anxiety, worrying about how to make it last, if something bad is going to happen, or if they even deserve this money. Same amount of money, but completely different experience. Why? Because money is just a mirror. It amplifies what is already inside of you. If you have unresolved beliefs around scarcity, guilt, or fear, money will trigger those emotions. If you have a mindset of trust, flow, and peace, money will reflect that too. So here's what you need to know. Money doesn't change your internal world. It reveals it. It reflects it. You don't need more money first. You need to shift the beliefs shaping your financial experience. So in Ho'oponopono, you can say, I'm sorry for believing money is my security. Please forgive me for fearing financial uncertainty. Thank you for showing me these patterns. I love you. Financial peace and ease. The subconscious mind holds all the memories, beliefs, and emotions we've picked up from childhood. Most of us inherited financial beliefs from our parents, our culture, or past experiences. Think back. What were you told about money growing up? Money is hard to come by. We can't afford that. Rich people are greedy. These are scarcity-based beliefs. Money flows easily when you let it. There's always enough for everyone. Wealth is a reflection of my state of being. These are abundance-based beliefs. So if you grew up hearing scarcity-based beliefs, your subconscious automatically resists money, even if you consciously and intend to want it. Example, someone who heard, we have to work hard for every dollar, may subconsciously sabotage easy financial opportunities because deep down they believe money must be earned through struggle. You are not cursed with bad luck in money. You're just replaying old financial memories, and those can be cleaned. Many people believe money equals security, but if that were true, billionaires wouldn't feel stressed, anxious, or worried about losing wealth. The truth is, security isn't in money, it's in your state of mind, because your mind is creative. True financial freedom comes when you stop fearing or worrying about money and start trusting in flow. True freedom comes when you stop fearing your thoughts and start respecting the power of your mind. When we clean our financial data, our financial fears, money starts flowing. Not because we manifested it, but because we removed all the blocks and resistance to receiving it. So for example, you could say, I'm sorry for believing I lack. Please forgive me for rejecting wealth for my unawareness. Thank you for bringing awareness to this. I love you. Financial abundance and peace. Most people try to chase money, but chasing is an act of resistance. It assumes money isn't already flowing to you. When you chase money, what are you actually telling yourself? You don't have it. So Ho'oponopono helps you clear subconscious money blocks, stop resisting and fighting abundance, and letting money flow effortlessly instead of forcing it. So how do you clean financial blocks? You could say, for example, again, I'm sorry for believing I lack. Please forgive me for rejecting or resisting abundance. Thank you for revealing this pattern. I love you. Financial peace. Over time, money starts flowing, not because you chased it or wanted it, but because you removed the blocks to receiving it. Get this, money is just energy. It flows when we trust. It expands when we let go of fear. It becomes effortless when we align with peace. So in summary, you don't need to chase money. You need to clean what's blocking it. You don't need to control it. You need to let go and allow it. True abundance isn't in the number or the size. It's your state of mind, and your mind sets the limit. So say this with me. I release all financial fear. I trust in the flow of abundance. I allow money to support me with ease. I love you, my financial freedom. So what beliefs about money do you think you need cleaning? Drop your thoughts below and let's clean together. If this resonated, comment, I welcome financial peace and flow to affirm your abundance. Sending you so much peace, freedom, and limitless flow. Take care, my friends.